Hello, I have another Temu and a small Dollar Tree haul, but it's mostly Temu. And Victor is here to help me. Mr. Retros is busy. He can't be bothered with this haul right now, but Victor can. He always likes to be involved in everything he can. So I got these shoes. I think this was an influencer haul. No, I think I bought this stuff. Yeah, part of it. I don't remember. I don't know the difference between influencer and affiliate haul. They said they were doing away with one of them, but they're still there. So I don't know. I got these are backups. He really likes these shoes. He replaces the laces with those kind of elasticy ones, but these are pretty good. So he's afraid they're going to discontinue them or something, so he ordered another pair, and I think they run fairly true to size. And he got 2 of them, so that's nice. Very nice. How do you like them, Victor? Victor likes them. He's giving them a sniff of approval. And I think they were like $20 or something. Something like that. We had a bunch of those lightning deals. I got this little zippy bag. Look at you can see split Victor right through it. This was, I think, 58 cents, but it's just a little zippy bag for putting your junk in. So it's not bad for 50 cents. These blenders. Wait, is this a blender? Yeah. No, what is this? I'm not even sure what this is. I think this is a blender. Is it a blender, Victor? I don't know. I think it's... Oh, it is. This one has a lid. It's extra fancy. These blenders are really nice. Big, do you mind? It's just like a beauty blender, or you could use it if you're sculpting something. I am going to start working on a faceplate. Oh, I have my painting, too. I will show you that at the end, too, if I can remember. Okay, this is good. I think this was on sale for like 50-some cents. So these are good for your cosmetics and whatnot. It is. Oh, this is another one of those phone things that you put on the wall. I'm going to use this at the beach because there's a couple spots where I put my phone for charging, which is pretty good. And that was another one of those. And then this is a thing. I have a power cord behind the TV cabinet that keeps wanting to slide it down and crash on the floor. So this is the adhesive. And then you put this piece on your power cord and this piece on whatever wall, or I'm going to stick it on the back of that sideboard. And then you slide it in, supposedly. I'm not going to do it. It might get stuck. And it'll stay stuck to where you want it, because that thing just does not want to stay there. So I'll give that a try. And then I got this for Baby Retros. I'll try to put a picture. She really liked the Halloween tablecloth. It looks really, really cute on the round table. So I got her a Christmas one. It's round, yes. She likes these. Oh gosh, it's cute. She likes these retro prints. Just a chip off the old blockaroo. Look how cute that is. And it's got that scalloped edge. It's polyester. It's not paper or plastic, but it fit her table really nice. Oh gosh, that's cute. And I don't think there's anything, yeah, nothing in the middle. But it's really, really cute. That's going to be darling. She kind of likes that pink thing. Yeah. So I think she will be happy to get this for her little table. And then, you like it, Victor? Yes. This little deer here looks kind of like Victor. Yes. Only I think maybe Victor's cuter. Then I went to Dollar Store. I just happened to hit it when they were putting stuff out. My friend Dee was looking for these bronzer drops. I think she got some Maybelline ones at some other place. But they have these dollar store ones, and I tried them. I like them, and they're just little drops that come out of there. It's just bronzer. It's liquid bronzer, and I just mix it with my moisturizer. I have some Perlier that I mix it with, and it just warm. It's not like a fake tan. I suppose if you really laid it on, it would be. But I just put a couple drops, and it just kind of warms your face up a little. And it looks like this if you're looking for it. For $1.25, I mean, really not bad. So that was a cool find. And then I just happened to be in, and they had these little trees. They have 4. I got 3 of them. There's a kind of a gold or a rose gold one I wasn't crazy for. I popped these battery things out. Let's see, I got the white one. I like this snowy green one. It's really cute. And then the plain green one. These would be really cute in a bathroom, I think. Like a little nightlight. So, and then I take those lights out, and I use these temu things. I use them with the Halloween ones. They're little LED lights like this, and they're really nice and bright. It shines right up through there, and it's got, you plug it into a USB, into a wall plug, and it even has a little switch on here if we turn it off and on, which is very, very nice. This one has and these are like $2, I think. And then I got some that are just the round, no wood base on them. So you can just probably just tuck them right up in there, I think. Yeah. So I will determine how I'm going to do that. I'll be right back with my painting. I had one thrift store canvas left, so I did, can you see it? The creature. Let me move it up a little. There it is. My altered art. The creature. And so I'll look for another one. I'm thinking maybe the next one be Nosferatu, or maybe the Cabinet of Dr. Caligari. I can't remember what that guy's name was. Ivan? I don't know. We'll see. So I like the way this came out. I put it in the hallway. So I think that's all I have. Victor took off. He abandoned me. So I'll see you later. Bye-bye.